Hi students, welcome to another video of beginning sounds. I thought I should do one more video where we can learn the initial or beginning sound of given pictures. So kids, are you ready? Alright, what is beginning sound? It means to identify the first sound of the letter of the given picture. I will show you the picture and say the word. You will also repeat the word with me. We will stretch out the beginning of the word sound. Then you'll tell me what letter makes that sound. This time, the activity is a little different because I do not have any options displayed, so you will have to guess the correct sound. Are you all excited? Yes, I know you are. So let's begin. The first picture is pizza. Pizza. So repeat the word. Pizza. What sound does pizza start with? P. 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 Pizza. P. Pizza. What letter makes that sound? P. That's right. So pizza begins with letter P. The next picture is cake. Cake. Repeat the word cake. What sound does cake start with? K. 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 Cake. K. Cake. What letter makes that sound? Well, it's not K, but the correct option is C. So cake begins with the letter C. Alright, the next one is umbrella. Umbrella. Repeat the word. Umbrella. What sound does umbrella start with? A. Umbrella. A. Umbrella. What letter makes that sound? U. That's right. So, umbrella begins with letter U. What picture is this? That's right. It's a monkey. Monkey. Repeat the word. Monkey. What sound does monkey start with? Monkey. Monkey. What letter makes that sound? M. Well done. So monkey begins with the letter M. The last picture of the video is heart. Heart. Repeat the word. Heart. What sound does heart start with? H. 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 Heart. H. Heart. What letter makes that sound? Can you guess? Yes, it's H. That's right. So heart begins with the letter H. Now you can do the same with other pictures as well. Tell your parents to draw you different pictures on a piece of paper so you could guess the correct beginning sound. See you next time with another exciting lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye.